Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to fix inverted camera on iPhone, and here is how. Let us see how to fix your iPhone camera if it is inverted. If you take a selfie with your phone and discover that it is flipped to the incorrect orientation, I will teach you how to fix it. However, first, I will give you an example. Let me open the camera and flip it to face front. I will just snap a little photo so you can see that the remote is on the right and I am on the left. I can access my photos and they will appear as follows. I am on the left. The remote is on the right. But if someone else is observing me, they will notice that I am on the right. The remote is on the left and the signal at the bottom will be readable. Perhaps you are experiencing this, or perhaps there is nothing to read and you just want to turn it around. Let us go ahead and enter our settings. From there, we can scroll down until we reach the camera. I will teach you how to repair it. By tapping the camera, you should be able to see the mirror front camera that is underneath that composition halfway down. I switch off this feature so we can shoot the exact same picture with my own camera again. Let us flip this around. I will take the exact same picture, and you can see that in the camera itself, I'm still on the left and the remote is on the right when I am looking at my iPhone. But if I go to Photos here and select this one, I am on the left and the remote is on the right. In other words, it essentially inverts everything to what someone else would see if they were looking directly at me, rather than sort of inverting everything and rendering everything unreadable. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.